News from Vikas Prasad, Agriculture Land, Sankodia, September 21. The son and husband of the landowner have strongly objected to the duplication of ECL sweeper colony, hospital and headquarter, drain water and waste sedimentation on the collectible private land behind the ECL headquarter and hospital at Sankodia. Explaining he has demanded compensation of land and job from ECL. Otherwise, along with the villagers and farmers, ECL has warned of demonstration and road jams at the headquarters, hospital and main road. According to the information received, the land has become very polluted and unusable due to the flow of water from ECL sweeper colony and hospital drains and dumping of waste material on the land. Bhakti Bala Manjhi, Jashadi behind ECL headquarter and hospital. In this connection, Devashish Manjhi, son of Bhakti Bala Manjhi, a resident of Jashadi, and Anand Manjhi, husband, said that polluted water from the drains of sweeper colony, staff colony, ECL hospital and waste material of the hospital and headquarters are deposited on this land. This land, due to which I have not been able to cultivate it from the last 20 years. I am a poor person. I am on the verge of starvation. ECL was reminded several times. A letter was also given to the management, but when there was no benefit, we stopped the drain follow and informed the ECL regarding this. An official of the civil department of ECL came and opened the drain. At the request of Councillor Abhijit Acharya, he left the after opening the drain on the assurance of finding some solution within 7 days. But no steps have been taken in this regard. Said ECL is using my land. He demanded compensation and job from ECL for this land. In case of not doing so, we will close all the drains following on the land if the same thing happened again. He warned the villager and farmer to blockade and block the main road, including ECL headquarters, Sankodia Hospital. However, no ECL officer could be conducted in this regard. Barabani MLA Vidhan Upadhyay attacked with corona. Salanpur. Barabani MLA Vidhan Upadhyay was attacked by corona on September 22. The people of health department collected sample of his body. According to the report in hand yesterday, he is not positive. Following the news and the follower of Vidhan become worried. Inay Vidhan Upadhyay on Facebook, he said that the Trinamool wishes and congratulate all the residents of Barabani Assembly. Concluding, corona was found in my body. That's why for the time being I will be in the home quarantine on the advice of the doctor. Those of who will have already been in contact with me will also take the corona test and be careful. Very soon I will come back to you as before and go from village to share the happiness and sorrows. In this contest, Bhola Singh, General Secretary of Salanpur Block Trinamool, said that Vidhanda is the jewel in the eye of all people in his continuously worship was done for Mala Vidhan Upadhyay. The number of people who died from such increasing. The news movement team request you guys that you should follow the physical distance, maintain, wear mask, use sanitizer. There is no medicine and vaccine available in the market. Here, dialogue Adi Vikas Prasad Sankodia. Buses from three districts stop at the bus stand located at Disargarh River Ghat of 105 number ward of Asansol Municipal Corporation. But due to the condition of these bus stop not being good, there is a lot of inconvenience in the staying turning of buses. Along with this, due to the lack of toilet there, passengers also face huge inconvenience. However, at cost of 24 lakh AC passenger stop has been completed, awaiting its opening. According to information, the bus stop situated at the Disargarh River Ghat is quite old. Bus from three districts stop here. Long distance bus coming from Purulia Bankuria pass through here to other distant places like Barakar, Asansol, Durgapur and Kolkata. While in the returning order, Purulia goes through Purulia like Purulia 2 and of the district. Apart from this, the stoppage of minibus of Asansol Disargarh route and the tempo of Baraka route also keeps on coming. This connection local councillor Abhijit Acharya said that buses from three districts come and stop here. It was in my knowledge. Here is what I realized in a board meeting about the situation on this. Our Mayor Jitendra Tiwari made an AC passenger bus stop of 24 lakh rupees. Approval has also been given to make the front position. He will also be casting soon, said of the toilet and place of PWD is occupied here, but everyone has been negotiated. Toilet will be constructed soon. Stop because of COVID. Currently, the drains system is being repaired at a cost of 27 lakh. Regarding the
Bus
earlier
stand
report,
from this place to a big place. The road is going to be widened. Then will be empty space. Asansol will be made like a bus stand. Anand Paswan with Chairman Manat Paswan dharna in front of Pandeshwar General Manager Office on demand for payment of dues of private security personals. Pandeshwar Private Security Guard staged a sit in front of ECL Pandeshwar area office on Thursday, demanding the payment of 2 months' salary arrears and the remaining 20 months PF money into the account. After a while, meeting with the president of Pandeshwar Block Trinamool Congress, Narendra Nath Chakravarti, the agitation came to an end after the officer assured over 200 private security guard work in various collieries in the Pandeshwar region. They have not been paid for the past 2 months. The official did not deposit. Opposing the security guard Rajesh Roy and Mrityunjay Mandal said that the security guard is from all normal families. Everyone is in financial trouble because of corona. Although ECL permanent employees are paid on time, every month on time, The security guard have not been paid for the last 2 months. At the same time, workers are suffering from insecurities as the authorities have not been deposited the money in the PF account for 20 months. He said that they are demanding immediate payment of 2 months' salary and the amount deposit in the PF account. The protest lasted from the 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock p.m. Pandeshwar Trimul block. The President Narendra Nath Chakravarti stood with the protest and also supported the protest demands. Later, personnel of Pandeshwar region manager Nazrul Islam sat down from the discussion with the protest and Narendra Nath Chakravarti, promising to pay salary and PF dues within the next 1 week. Street rally was started by the Trinamool Congress in Barabani block from Panuria Water Tank Junction under Panuria Gram Panchayat. Central government farmers today street rally in opposition to the bill that opposition has forcibly passed. Asit Singh, president of the Trinamool Congress in Barabani block, and a member of district council said that the central government was working day in the day out, that anti-human activity was begun, and a few days ago the anti-peasant bill was forcibly passed. The bill was passed forcibly despite objection from the opposition and the country big capitalization sold. Everything is in country. Given that the conspiracy is being carried out by the BJP government, this is why we are protesting in the street today. Panuria Panchayat Chief Rajesh Hatsab, Deputy Chief Viswajit Singh, Viswajit Roy, Kanchan Mandal, Rita Chakravarti, Yugal Singh and many others were present on this day.
কৃষি বিরোধী কৃষি বিলের বিরুদ্ধে আজকে আমাদের এই মিছিল বারাবণী ব্লক কিষাণ শেখ মজুর তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের ডাকে এই মিছিলে যোগদান করে মিছিলটিকে সাফল্যমণ্ডিত করে তুলুন।